got the Frontier for today. So, we fully have an engine hoist now for the time being. Got ourselves a tire now too. This doesn't seem sketch at all. Alright, so right now we're trying to take the drive shaft off, and then undo the exhaust, and then what else? Diff? Diff can be done later, I guess.
Well, yeah, diff doesn't need to be done, I know.
We've got the engine hoist all set up. We're trying to figure out how to connect our leveler here to our engine itself. I think I even found a couple clips, not clips, kind of a hook area down there where it's kind of meant to go. And then also we got a little bracket down there. Alright, so exhaust is out. That took a little bit. Bit of rust. But yeah. Headers. Alright, so today is engine removal day, hopefully, right?
Okay.
Oh, she's coming.
Yeah?
Oh, lots of fluids.
Oh, no. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Here. Wow, this is really coming up over here.
Alright, so here it is. We got the motor officially out of the car. This is the first time either of us have done this, taking a motor out of a car, so pretty big deal. No real problems, pretty easy, all things considered. So yeah. Alright, so we got the engine out on the tire. Pretty big, honestly.
It is huge.
So I was not expecting the sheer size of this
cylinders
God, why do you talk? Okay, N30 B34 out of the car on the tire right there. We disconnected the trans for kind of weight distribution sort of stuff. It's also leaking like
yeah, we need to
lot.
rebuild the trans, I guess.
So I mean, it's out of the car right now, so might as well rebuild the seals and all that. Also, this whole like shifter situation is just not ideal.
It's not like connected.
I think
and also this has a little wiggle to it. Maybe that's supposed to happen, but it wasn't bolted here.
Yeah. Honestly,
way easier than we thought.
Yeah, extremely easy engine pull out, whatever. And it'll make doing it on that car even easier. So now we ride it at once.
Hey.
Alright, so this is like a week in the future of like since we took the motor out, right?
Yeah.
It's been a while.
It's been like a solid minute.
The 85 is gone at the body shop, so we're just stuck with this 87 shell. Today we're going to try and get the motor off this hoist over here and onto this engine stand. So we're going to tear it down, repaint a lot of stuff, replace a lot of stuff, and it should be fun, right?
Should be tight.
Keep going. Okay, the weight is off the hoist, and it is all now on the stand. There we have it. It's on the stand without any incident.
Mom, look.
No. We just get the valve cover off, and now we can see those very nice APR main studs.
APR.
Yep, and then we got the Schrick, the Schrick cam in there. This is ridiculously clean for an engine this old, so we're assuming the entire top end was just rebuilt.
Yeah, super hype.
Damn.
He's excited too.